What if I told you some of the scariest movies ever made were shot on camera cheaper than your Android phone? The sneaky technique that turned poor quality into pure terror. And guess what? Nollywood producers are sleeping on this gold mine. Stick around.
Emma, turn the filters off. Come on.
Imagine watching a movie so real, you start checking your own CCTV. Now, that's found footage filmmaking. And guess what? That creepy camcorder style, it can make your budget look like blockbuster. If you're still watching, you're either a real filmmaker or a sharp guy who wants to scare your ex. After the break, I'm showing you how to edit found footage for free. And yes, Magic Lantern is back. Now, for Gen Zs who finally googled what Magic Lantern? Okay, either way, smash that like button because later in this video, I will be showing you exactly how to turn your 300k Canon DSLR to shoot like a beast.
Like and subscribe.
Filmmaking fam, welcome to Filmmaking Friday, the only show where we go from low budget to red carpet without selling land in your village. Today, we're diving into something that started off as indie hustle and ended up terrifying the entire world, found footage filmmaking. If you have ever thought, I beg, how them they shoot horror where they enter body like demon, this episode is for you. With the right storytelling, this method can make your 50k film feel like 50 million. But wait, what is found footage filmmaking? Imagine yourself as the character, holding the camera, filming his life. But something went wrong, and that video is the only thing remaining. Now that is found footage.
Mari Carmen, que es la mujer que ha llamado a los hombres de la policía, dice...
Before Netflix and chill, before shots on Harry flexing, there was found footage. The OG shot on Nokia 3310 cinema. It's fake real footage that looks like your uncle's shaky wedding video that caused WhatsApp status from 3 a.m. CCTV footage of who steal plantain for compound. But here's the magic. The imperfections make it real. It feels raw. It's shaky like Okada cam. But that's the point. It's cinema masquerading as reality. That's why Blair Witch Project made $248 million with a 60k budget. This technique was born from hustle, DIY spirit, documentary vibe, and small money, big fear. Before we had Blair Witch scaring our soul in 1999, we had The Connection, 1961, and Cannibal Holocaust, 1980, doing it first. But Blair Witch said, hold my hand held, and went viral, shot by actors, marketed like real-life footage, and boom, $250 million box office from 60k budget. Omo, that's not a movie, oh. That's a Yahoo+++. Types of found footage films. Let's break it down. Number 1, first person POV. Think Cloverfield. The main guy is running. The camera is shaking and the sound is bursting. It gives this impression like you're running with him away from the monster he's running from. 2, mockumentary. Starts off as straight-laced as an NTA documentary. Cam interviews, deliberate camera pans, and setups that makes you think you are in for a serious ride. But just when you think you know what's coming, boom, the demon shows up and slap everything into chaos.
Do something dramatic.
Haley, this is all your fault! Not my fault! This is your fault! Emma, turn the filters off. Come on.
That's the kind of wild, unpredictable ride we are talking about here. While are they? Indeed. 3. News footage style. A news crew went into a haunted building.
Hoy, mientras usted duerme, vamos a acompañar a una dotación de bomberos en su recorrido nocturno. Espera, corta aquí.
Only their video survived. Ghost bomb loading.
Vamos. Venga, más agilidad esas piernas.
And 4. Surveillance, CCTV style. Example, paranormal activity. 1 tripod camera, fixed shot. You think it's boring until something walks past by 3 a.m. Why found footage works? 3 major reasons. 1. It feels real. No soundtrack, no filter, just raw gist. It feels like you're watching it real life happening. 2. It builds tension progressively. You don't need jump scares every 5 minutes. Found footage build slow wahala like fuel price in Nigeria. Number 3. Cheap and effective. No need for red camera. Just 1 smartphone, small flashlight, and NEPA background noise. Instant horror atmosphere. The dark truth about found footage. Found footage is cheap, but risky. Here's why. Actors must direct themselves. No cut, just pure panic. No perfect text. If the camera fails, leave it. Reality is messy. Marketing everything. Blair Witch fooled America into thinking it was real. And here are some classics you can learn from. Late Night with the Devil, 2023. Talk show goes wrong. Satan himself entered the set.
You're meddling with things you don't understand.
Whoa! Now, as you know, here on Night Owls, we think it's very important to keep an open mind.
Very innovative. Shot like 1970s TV tape.
Subject of the book, Conversations with the Devil.
2020. All on Zoom call.
Hey!
Hi, guys.
Hey, Rina! Caroline! Hi, Teddy!
Friends, those shins. Unleash demons.
Obviously, we're not physically together, but there's no reason why spirit can't communicate over the internet.
Shot during lockdown. Edited from home. That's real hustle. Niger twist. Imagine a Nollywood twist on host. Shin via WhatsApp call. And demons enter through MTN data glitch. Now that kind of originality go blow fast. How to create found footage as a Nigerian filmmaker. If you want to try found footage, here's your Nigerian filmmaker starter pack. Gear, phone, power bank, voiceover. You can add a table lamp to it. Settings, 1 room apartment plus 1 candle equal to Oro Gold. Acting, no script, just vibe. Let your actors ad-lib and improve like it's their last vlog on earth. You don't need Netflix budget to scare people. You need creativity, chaos, and 1 working phone camera. Which found footage style work best for your story? Drop your concept in the comments. Let's grow together. Remember, what we don't see is the real fear. And filmmakers, don't spoil the fun. It's the found footage challenge. Your mission? Use your phone. Shoot a 1-minute found footage challenge. Upload it and tag me. You can as well upload footage from your CCTV where you thought you found something creepy or something you must have recorded somehow, somewhere, Upload it and tag me. Best entry, get a shout out and 10k recharge card. Drop a comment, found footage if you are trying this. Like if you learned something. And yes, like I said, Magic Lantern is back with new update and support for more Canon cameras. Canon said this camera is for beginner. Magic Lantern said, no, wait, old my agbada. See this camera, it's older than BB Niger, but right now it can shoot 4K RAW for free. How? Magic Lantern is back and it just hacked these old Canon cameras into beast. Now, your 300k DSLR can shoot like a red camera. But wait, if you are a Gen Z filmmaker, you are probably like, what the heck is magic lantern? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be begging to install it. But wait, what is magic lantern? Back in the day, when sharp meant Nokia 3310 camera quality, a group of mad scientists created magic lantern. It's a free firmware that turns your ordinary Canon camera into a Hollywood level beast. Raw video, focus picking, and even zebras, all for $0. But then Canon tries to kill it. Now it's back like Lagos traffic. But my people, if you are a DSLR OG, you will know that magic lantern was the yam and red oil of indie filmmakers. Back in the day, before mirrorless cameras were trending like Ankara at weddings, Canon DSLRs were king. But Canon said, "Make una manage this 8-bit compressed video, I beg." Then some nerdy wizards appeared and said, what if we hack the camera and unlock the real power inside? And boom, magic lantern was born. Created by Trammell Hudson, then expanded by a deaf community. Magic lantern is free, open source firmware add-on that unlocked cinema level features on your Canon DSLR. It turned Canon DSLR into mini cinema cameras with focus picking, false color, raw video recording, audio monitoring, time-lapse, zebra stripe, crop marks, waveform, the full juju bag. If you used Canon 5D Mark III with Magic Lantern in 2015, you felt like Spielberg even if you were shooting wedding in Aba. Magic Lantern is back and now supports new cameras. After years of silence, no updates, nothing, we thought Magic Lantern had jackbarred permanently. But 2025 dropped a bombshell. Magic Lantern now runs experimental builds for Canon EOS 200D, Canon 6D Mark II, Canon 7D Mark II. These cameras used to be C-finish, but right now they are shooting cinematic raw. Why this is massive for Nigerian filmmakers? Let's keep it real. Nigeria runs on Tokumbo cameras. But now, that 150k 6D Mark II you bought from Uncle Larry can compete with cameras 10 times its price. No more "I don't have money" excuse. Hollywood features for free. Resurrect your old camera. That 7D in your cupboard is a beast now. Nollywood on a budget. Shoot raw like the Black Book without black tags. These cameras are everywhere in Nigeria, affordable and durable. Now, you can unlock raw video, advanced audio tools, and pro-level exposure tools for free. No need for 3 million naira cinema camera, just Magic Lantern and street sense. Magic Lantern turns your Canon camera into a cinema machine. You can shoot raw video 14-bit uncompressed. Skin tone be looking like Wakanda. Dual ISO. Shoot high and low ISO in one shoot. Shadow recovery no be joke. Intervolumeter for stop motion, time-lapse, B-roll transitions. But the thing is, Canon never endorsed Magic Lantern. In fact, they act as if it never existed. Why? Because Magic Lanterns unlock features Canon wants you to pay 2 million for in their higher-end cameras. If you want a full episode on how to download and install Magic Lantern on your own Canon camera step by step, like this video, comment, lantern me up. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, the ultimate question. Will you install Magic Lantern? Drop a comment, yes, or I don't want to kill my camera. Like this video because you've learned something new. Subscribe if you want to grow as a content creator. Until then, remember, Hollywood budget aren't for everybody, but Hollywood quality can be free.